pee. Oh, you guys can't see. Hold on. We'll make it so you guys can actually see. Wow, there's a Spoole burp. If I've ever heard one. I mean, that works.
Pearl Jam, not Van Halen.
What have you been doing? Is it just your stairs? Like Viking flyers? Brittany, are you going to give them wings?
Excuse me.
Swedish people don't depend?
Target is called bow and quiver.
In Brazil? Target's called... Wow!
Gorgeous.
Lie. Left-handed people, that's me. True. I bet you anything like they probably had like barrels and they broke.
Let's take a look.
Incestippy got 95% Jabber and Holly. They got the top answer.
Scoozy.
It's been around you throwing up, yeah.
I think I threw up around you.
When? At RTX or something?
Scoozy, yeah. No, I threw up that day.
Look at the best times like 35 seconds. So like you try to escape as well as hitting these optional objectives.
Scoozy.
Apparently. This meant I'm pretty sure he's not wearing pants though.
Sorry, excuse me.
All right, I think we can get out. What the fuck was that?
Excuse me, pardon me. I'm a lady. I'm a pretty lady.
Are you sure? I think it just opened the gate.
1 and 6.
12. You know what's scary? Creepers real fast.
Scoozy.
That was real loud. No time for sounds. There's a secret over
I feel
there.
like nothing's working.
Brittany Marie.
Scoozy.
Wow.
Scoozy. Driving.
He doesn't have an access code. What?
Scoozy.
What the fuck?
Scoozy. I had a really big gulp.
Butzbach. Is that your name? Powerful son?
Excuse me. Powerful son.
I like your dad.
Scoozy.
I like how I said it immediately.
Scoozy.
That was like a dinosaur that just emerged from its egg.
Oh.
Here, we can
Excuse
turn down
me.
the audio a little bit.
I literally had 1 sip of beer.
And also to 8. And now knowest
Burp.
what evil
Excuse me.
should be upon.
Excuse me.
Burp. Who's watching these cameras? Why would they
Excuse me.
waste power on them?
Excuse me.
Junk.
What the fuck's wrong with you, RV3D?
It's true though, because we're dead.
Here, have these. I don't want these.
Fixed it.
Brittany is bay in general, to be honest.
Wow, burp. Up here.
Excuse me.
Are you evolving right now?
I hiccuped halfway through. Shit.
You're evolving. Cotton. Oh, the Lindanes.
Excuse me.
I do not do that well with massive amounts of blood. Oh, we just stepped on glass.
Scoozy. Where'd the glass come from?
Okay. Who needs to be if you're small? Dovich. Got it.
Go, Dovich.
How does he die? He's gonna die. She's gonna kill him, and that's gonna start her killing off everyone. Wow.
Excuse me.
I have to kill him. Are you gonna kill him?
Excuse me.
He has a gun, I think.
Fucking hold your burps until the end of the show. It's hard. I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Yeah, you got another breather. Now I'm on to.
I'm not saying blood cells evaporate.
Cinnamon. So Chad was saying I gotta feel comfortable when when we get to the trees stream.
Excuse me.
And I do end up doing. I may do a couple vids with ETC. True. It may happen at the end of November, beginning of December. What? Fire and bunker equals bad.
Sorry, excuse me.
She's a great mom. She did what she had for her son. So she's a great mom, terrible human.
Frambo, that's not scary.
Frambo.
Play an actually scary game.
That's
8-bit kid. I think Spoole deleted me from his friends.
You 8-bit kid. If you add me back, add me right now, I will. Are you the cheater, Spoole? I'm not.
Don't converse. Scuzzy.
Spooky game.
Scuzzy.
Nice 10 points. For sure. Dance.
Scuzzy.
Wow.
That felt
You're
better.
ruining my
I
immersion.
feel better. Oh, you know what's
Smells like
manure?
cows.
It's manure, yeah.
It's
It's
the
us.
cows.
Zombies in there. Excuse me.
Is she? Immediately jumped Alright, silent. Silent now.
Excuse me. Sorry. I'm trying to get it all out at once.
Go. Alright, remember the
No! Literally
Probably will survive.
Why are you hurting me?
You can move your hips.
Excuse me.
Tipsy.
Excuse me. No, thank you.
Justin
Excuse
Bieber.
me.
Spices, it's over. Alright. That. I closed it.
Excuse
No
me.
scrubs. Wild sequence breaking that may leave me confused.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
You may get a big head and think you're amazing, and then you burp.
and then I
you bring
release
him.
the gas. To burp again.
You can't go up the hole.
Excuse me. It's the beer.
And then when Monroe's mask came up, we were like, it's annoying. There's like a time.
Excuse me.
I like how you're like
Sorry.
ashamed now.
Sorry.
I'm not paying attention to the story. He likes me
Excuse me.
plus me and the animal. Put them away. I don't know what's over here.
Excuse me. Sorry.
That was a good one.
That was like a modest one, you know what I mean? Like a lady one.
Like I'm driving like 10 feet away.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, that was so loud. I'm sorry.
About a few seconds of silence, my work here is done. Look at me when you... Okay,
Excuse
well, we
me.
gotta get somewhere.
Woo!
It's the dogs in the area that we couldn't access
Excuse me.
before. I'm familiar with big sacks.
Excuse me.
My mouth is so hot. Can I have an egg? Wow! Oh man.
Excuse me.
A little burp follow-up was good.
It was because it's spicy. I don't know.
Is that a burp? There's a burp. There it is. There's the burp amount in real life.
Excuse me. Did you hear it coming up?
Yeah.
That was scary.
I can't say I've ever beaten Monopoly.
I don't. Pardon me.
This is right before he dies, right?
Life's
Risk is
Excuse
good.
me. I like life. Excuse me.
Nice. He's like, which I've never seen before.
Excuse me.
I wouldn't. We need Jabberjaw here to give them all personalities. Why not? It depends how advanced their technology is. Really, though.
Excuse me.
Oh, come on! What? I have my shield up. That was fucking retarded. He just spun me around and murdered me.
Oh no. I don't know what it is about alcohol. Excuse me. Monty Python Holy Grail.
He is a god.
Excuse me,
Do you
that one
guys like World War
surprised
II
me.
movies? Yeah.
What? Excuse me.
And of lamb. Or veal. I don't know if I've actually... Because he could have the other door and like... Wow! Let's do it. Nice, Scaly Kitty. Where are you guys going out?
Scusi.
Wow.
Scusi.
I don't want to die. You're gonna summon him. He's gonna hear you.
Excuse me. Scusi.
There's no point in struggling, but we'll do it. He's gonna come back through that window.
Scusi.
Oh, juked ya. Counter juked.
Scusi.
Come on. Nice.
He did a good job. Excuse me.
Yeah, he helped.
We'll give you mac and cheese with bacon and stuffed potato. Scusi.
And if you were a kid and you saw it, it would.
Scusi.
Go see my sister though, my real sister, not you. But yeah, everyone have a good night. I may stream tomorrow night. You there!
Scusi. Scusi. I'm so sorry. Pardon me.
You have bright yellow boots, and so does the hunter. Hunter's on the move.
Scusi.
Eyes open. I grip for the booty even to death. Oh, that was Smollett.
Yeah, sorry.
Wow. Oh, dang it.
Scusi. Pardon me.
Stun gun or whatever with. I think the... Jesus. That's part of the challenge of the game. I'm hyped to play see this game when it's fully out, right? I'm excited. Like it's good times.
The way that they kind of certain areas. Oh my god, pretty.
Did you fix it? You fixed it? All right, move up. Move up.
I love it.
Yeah, the blue shirt kind of got boned. He disappeared though. Is he alive?
He didn't disappear for me. Someone.
I don't know if that's supposed to happen. Villains? I feel like it's not something you would need for this. Camp, can you buy a t-shirt? Oh damn, merch sold. Oh shoot.
Scusi.
Oh
Yeah. Steven Universe?
If you want something green, just use Midori. Midori's a good stuff.
Sleep.
Scusi.
That would be cool.
Which would, I think, is the most balanced way to probably do that. Because if you made it no heartbeat, that would be evil. Although they could just sit there as a trap, you know? They are an asshole.
Excuse me.
You walked past me 3 times. Oh my god. I have to tell you, in college, I used to go to frat parties all the time.
Again.
Who's the last person alive?
No,